Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best waterproof motorcycle navigation in this video? I will show you the top 5 best waterproof motorcycle navigation to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is 6.25-inch Carplay motorcycle DVR. Specifications: brand name Cockham, max external memory 128 GB, screen size 6.25 inch, waterproof level IPX7, material ABS PC, resolution 1560 by 720, camera dual channel front and rear cameras, video resolution 2K, microphone built-in, origin China. Number 4 is 7-inch GPS Motoplay for BMW. Specifications: brand name IMIAYU, screen size 7-inch, waterproof level IPX7, material plastic, resolution 1280x720p, OS Linux system, origin China. As the item number 3, we've selected portable 7-inch IP67 waterproof motorcycle GPS navigation. Specifications: brand name Tomo Strong, max external memory 128 GB, screen size 7-inch, waterproof level IPX7, material ABS PC, resolution 1024 by 600, weights approximate 472 grams, origin China. Number 2 is Motorcycle Carplay GPS navigation. Specifications: brand name Jansite, max external memory 128 GB, screen size 5-inch 8.1 inch, waterproof level IPX7, origin China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have BMW 7-inch portable GPS navigation. Specifications: brand name and Navi, screen size 7-inch, waterproof level IPX7, resolution 1080 by 720, high brightness 1000 nit, Android Auto CarPlay, origin China.